Hello my friends and welcome to a very hot and humid Tony's Comfort Kitchen. It's absolutely melting in here. Today I'm doing a Chipotle chicken with salsa. It is a sort of a Tex-mex style dish, I guess. It's not only super simple to do, it is super delicious, and we're going to get on and cook it right now. Okay, so first of all I need to make a marinade for the Chipotle chicken. Now then, I don't know if you can see this, I have a jar, 100-gram jar of Chipotle paste. Now I'm probably going to use the whole jar, to be honest, or most of it anyway. It is quite potent, this stuff. If it's too hot for you, you can use less, or you can use the same amount for more chicken. I'm using 2 chicken breasts in this dish for, I would imagine, 2 people. But you could add more chicken breasts. So the same amount of marinade, I think, I'm sure it'll be fine. So that's 1 full jar. And into that I'm adding roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, probably the equivalent of about 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of onion granules, pinch of salt, some cracked black pepper. This is coming out very well. And finally the juice of equivalent of 1 lime. And we'll just mix all those up. Now this Chipotle is quite potent. You should be able to find Chipotle paste in most supermarkets. You certainly can in the UK anyway. If not, you'll be able to get something online. But 100-gram jar is probably equivalent to about 2 tablespoons of Chipotle paste. Now then, off camera, I have taken a bit of a hammer to the chicken breasts. I've flattened them out a little bit, not too flat, but just enough to make the surface even. So it all cooks around about the same time. Again, there's a large one and a small one there for some reason, I don't know why. Anyway, I'm using my gloves because I've got camera equipment to operate. And I think Chipotle paste will coat everything and my hands in a red colour, which is not pleasant. Now then, that's the chicken in the marinade. Now ideally that should be left for around about 2 hours in the fridge, or preferably overnight. Unfortunately I don't have that luxury this time, so I'll have to be using them pretty much as soon as I can. But I would recommend it either 2 hours minimum, 24 hours maximum in the fridge. Okay, so while the chicken is marinating, I will make up the salsa. Now this isn't a traditional salsa, it's just one I'm using from my repertoire. So first of all I have some sweet corn. It's a 160-gram tin of sweet corn and a 215-gram tin of kidney beans. I have half a red onion, very finely chopped up, and I've got, I think it was about 10 cherry tomatoes here chopped in half. A bit of salt, a bit of pepper, if I can get the thing to work, a bunch of chopped coriander, and finally the juice of 2 limes, 2 freshly squeezed limes. And that's it. Now then, it's a case of mixing this up without it going everywhere. Look at those lovely colours. And that is a simple, very simple salsa. Right, now it's time to cook the chicken. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here just to stop the chicken from sticking to the griddle. I have a funny feeling this is going to get quite smoky. Okay, so I'm putting the chicken onto this on a medium heat. Right, they've been cooking for about 10 minutes now on a sort of low to medium heat, so it's time to turn them over. I'll still have some of the marinade. I'll just double it over. Don't forget to turn it back over to cook this marinade because it has had contact with the raw chicken. Right, that's another 10 minutes. I'm just going to flip them over once more to make sure that marinade, that extra marinade has cooked. And then we'll be ready to dish up. Okay, my friends, I'm going to taste this. It smells delicious. Excuse me. Oh, that chicken is so succulent. It's not actually as spicy as I thought it was going to be. There is a bit of a kick to it, but it's not too hot. Try some of this salsa. The beans and the sweetcorn make it a completely different experience, salsa experience. But very fresh. Wonderful. Give this dish a go. Please let me know in the comments below how you get on or what you think. It's not as hot as I thought it was going to be, but it's just as tasty, if not more so. Anyway, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. So peace, my friends, peace. It's all gone.